Unlock the secrets of your Twilio data by effortlessly opening those crucial CSV files. Once you've exported your call logs or message records from Twilio, the first step is to locate the downloaded CSV file on your computer. It's usually found in your Downloads folder or a specific directory you designated during the export process. Most Twilio CSV files are designed to be opened with spreadsheet software. Common options include Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice Calc, and the process is quite similar across them. To open your CSV using Microsoft Excel, launch Excel, then navigate to the File tab in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Open. Browse to the location where you saved your Twilio CSV file, select the file, and then click the Open button. Excel will typically recognize the file type and display your data automatically in a table format. If you prefer using Google Sheets, open a new spreadsheet in your web browser. Go to the File menu at the top, and then choose Import. In the Import File window, select the Upload tab. Click on Select a file from your device to upload your Twilio CSV. Google Sheets will then present import options, allowing you to choose how the data is delimited or organized, but usually the default settings work perfectly. Regardless of the software you choose, your Twilio data will now be laid out in a clear, accessible spreadsheet. You can now easily view, filter, sort, and analyze your call logs, message records, or any other valuable information exported from Twilio. With your Twilio CSV file open, you're now ready to delve into your data and uncover valuable insights.